Okay. Now we will discuss how voltage is built up in a shunt generator. So आमर shunt generator voltage केमते build up होची सेटा को मैं discussion करिया. So initially जते बेले मोर generator टा run करूनी initial जते बेले मोर generator start हेनी सेते बेले मोर voltage केमते build up होची ताको discussion करिया. So when generator is not started, in that case no current is flowing through the field winding of the generator. So no current means no flux. So no flux means no EMF is generated in the generator. Okay. But due to the residual magnetism of the pole R, that is represented as a phi RES, due to that residual magnetism, residual voltage will generate in the generator, which will represent as OA. Okay. So due to the residual flux, the residual voltage will generate in the generator when the generator is not started. Okay. When the generator is started, then residual flux is generated in the generator. So that due to that the residual EMF will generate. That residual EMF adds the flux, adds the main field flux. So it due to the residual flux, residual voltage will generate. So due to that residual voltage, आमर कौन सा current flow करिबो winding रे, that IF current, that IF current will adds the main field flux. So due to that our EMF will build up. जति आमर flux main flux को add कला, then आमर current add हला, से that due to that flux voltage will build up, new voltage will build up. Due to that new voltage, again new field current will create. That due to that new field current, flux will increase. Again flux is increased, that means the voltage, generator voltage will increase. Due to that increased generator voltage, field current again increased. So this is a cumulative action. So this cumulative action continues. Okay, कौन है कि हमारा यदि हमारा flux increase है, so हमारा EMF increase है, due to that EMF current increase है, so that current द्वारा हमारा flux भी increase है, due to that flux again EMF will increase. Okay, so it is a continuous process. So for explanation purpose it is देखा जाए को stepwise, but it is not step, it is a linear curve. So this is voltage that build up in a shunt generator, and this OM represent the shunt field resistance. We know shunt field resistance RF equal to terminal voltage by IF. So this OM represent shunt field resistance line, and OL is a OCC, and L, this point represent the operating point. This is the operating point, and we can say that at this point generator build the maximum voltage. At this point generator can build the maximum voltage. Okay. So what are the conditions for build up of voltage in a DC shunt generators? First condition is that the pole must have residual magnetism. So amara residual magnetism nihati thiba katha pole re hela. So pole must have residual magnetism, and second, the connection of the field winding should be such that the field current strengthen the residual magnetism. So amara field winding ra connection एमिति ही थिया कथा जोड़ा कि amara residual magnetism को strengthen करूथुबा. Okay, and third is the resistance of the field circuit should be less than critical resistance, or the speed of the generator should be higher than critical speed. So critical resistance and critical speed कौन next time पढ़िबा. So these are the conditions for voltage build up in a DC generator. So what are those conditions? First is the generator must the pole must have residual magnetism. Second, the field connection should be such that it strengthen the residual magnetism, and last, the field circuit resistance should be greater than should be less than critical resistance. Okay, this is the voltage build up in a shunt generators. Next, we will note two parameters of shunt generator, that is critical resistance and critical speed. So, what is critical resistance and what is critical speed, we will see. So, for finding critical resistance and critical speed, we will plot open circuit characteristics. Open circuit characteristics कौन आगे हम discussion करें. So, this is the open circuit characteristics of shunt generator, where this is due to the residual flux. Due to that residual flux, we will get residual voltage or residual EMF. Okay, and this is the shunt field line. OM represents shunt field line. That is RF equal to Vt by If. Okay, RF equal to Vt by If. So, if I increase the value of shunt field resistance, then the position of this line is shifted to this direction. In that case, our angle also increases. So, if we increase further the value of shunt field resistance, that it increases to this point, P point. Okay. So, if we decrease the value of shunt field resistance, then this line will come to downward direction or downward to the OM line. So, here you can see, if we increase the shunt field resistance to a point where here it touch the open circuit characteristics, means आमे shunt field resistance को आमे बढ़े बढ़े जिबा at a particular value of shunt field current कौन हबो ना हमरा that shunt field resistance line touch the open circuit characteristics of DC shunt generator. Okay. So, that point or that line means the resistance line, the shunt field resistance line touches the open circuit characteristics, or it is tangent to the open circuit characteristics. The shunt field line, the shunt field resistance line is tangent to the open circuit characteristics. So, this resistance is called critical resistance. This resistance is called critical resistance of shunt generator. So, how can you define what is critical resistance? So, the critical resistance is the shunt field resistance. It is nothing but the shunt field resistance which touch the open circuit characteristics, or you can say which is tangent to the open circuit characteristics. Okay. So, you can define critical resistance is the maximum shunt field resistance. Okay, critical resistance is the maximum shunt field resistance at which generator can build up the voltage. This is the maximum resistance at which the generator can build up its voltage. Above the critical resistance, the generator cannot build up voltage. देखो at P यदि मोर critical resistance यदि मोर shunt field resistance beyond the critical resistance है, critical resistance टू अधिक है, then the generator is not able to generate the voltage. So, for जोटा मु कहली condition for voltage build up of generator, गोटे line थिला कि the shunt field resistance must be, shunt field resistance should be less than critical field resistance. Okay, so देखो यदि higher होची then एटा कौन हबो मोर generator voltage build up करि परिबो नाही. So, this our कौन shunt field resistance यदि critical resistance to less होची then the generator can build up voltage. So critical resistance is the maximum shunt field resistance which can build up voltage. Okay. So, जोटा कि मु कहली condition for voltage build up देखो द रेजिस्टेंस ऑफ द फील्ड सर्किट शुड बी लेस देन क्रिटिकल रेजिस्टेंस ओके सो जदि तार अधिक है जदि मोर फील्ड सर्किट रेजिस्टेंस क्रिटिकल रेजिस्टेंस रु अधिक होची देन द जनरेटर इज नॉट एबल टू build up the voltage so for build up of voltage in a shunt field generator the field circuit resistance or shunt field resistance should be less than critical resistance okay should be less than critical resistance okay next we will go for critical speed. So, what is critical speed? Same this is the open circuit characteristics for different speed. This is the open circuit characteristics for speed N3. This is the open circuit characteristics for speed N2. This is also open circuit characteristics for speed N1 and this line is the shunt field resistance line. Okay. So, these are the different open circuit characteristics for different speeds. So, if we decrease the speed, if we decrease the speed, then the EMF also decreases. See here, if the speed is N1 to decrease, if the speed here, this open circuit graph is for speed N1. If we decrease the speed from N1 to N2, then this is the open circuit characteristics. Again we increase from N2 to N3, then this is the characteristics. Okay. So, what is the critical speed which we represent as NC? Critical speed is represented as NC. Okay. So, if the resistance line touches the open circuit characteristics of this line देखो एटा है हमर open circuit characteristics for speed N2 here our shunt field resistance line touches the open circuit characteristics for speed N2 okay or we can say this is the tangent to this open circuit characteristic to this OCC okay so that's why it is called speed critical speed that is NC okay so NC is the speed you can say NC that is critical speed so NC that is critical speed is the speed at which generator can build up voltage below it is the speed minimum speed critical speed is the minimum speed at which the generator can build up voltage देखो याठू जदि मु आहुरी बिलो को नेबी देन जोटा कि मोर रिप्रेजेंट करछि N3 this speed OCC for this speed N3 so जदि मु open circuit characteristic जो NC this is my NC critical speed जदि मोर OCC below the critical speed हला so this is minimum speed critical speed is the minimum speed for which a generator can build up its voltage okay after that mane below the critical speed the generator will not be able to generate the voltage okay so this is the minimum speed this is critical speed is the minimum speed at which the generator can build up the voltage okay तो यार ऊपर होगा देखो तो N3 is higher than N2 so we can generate the voltage okay so सेति पई आ गुड कंडीशन जो थिला voltage build up of DC shunt generator what is that कि speed of the generator should be higher than the critical speed so speed of the generator सब critical speed रो अधिक हेले ही हमें voltage build up करि परिबा DC shunt generator रे okay similarly resistance should be less than critical resistance and the speed should be higher than critical speed okay so this is the critical speed so So, we can say what is critical speed? So, critical speed can be defined as it is the minimum value of the speed of a generator for which the generator can excite. जोटा मैं कहली, this is the minimum speed of the generator at which the generator can build up its voltage, or you can say at which the generator can excite is called critical speed. है above below which generator is not, माने generator is not able to generate the voltage. Okay. So, this is the minimum speed. The critical speed is the minimum speed for which the generator can excite. Okay. This is the critical speed. Okay. Hope you will understand what is critical speed, what is critical resistance. Okay.